Hey guys, today we're bringing you a slightly different video. We are doing an unboxing video on the Phillips all-in-one cooker. That's it there. Decided to buy a different slow cooker because the ones we've had in the past have just had very basic functions, and I'm looking for something a little bit more adventurous with my slow cooking. I want to be able to do more and make more interesting recipes. So we have chosen the Phillips all-in-one, and I'm very excited about this machine. Today we're going to unbox it and show you what you get. Guys, we just had this little beauty delivered, and I'm very excited as well because it's my birthday present. So I got to choose my birthday present this year, and this is what I opted for. And it's I can tell you it's really heavy. I was quite surprised how heavy it was, and the box is very sturdy, and it's got a lovely handle so you can in fact carry it around. So very keen to check it out. Now, as I said, I want to do more with my slow cooking. In the past, I've had a slow cooker, then that's kind of all it did. It had like low, high, and I think that was it. And I want more. I want to be able to fry my onions beforehand. I want a pressure cooker. I want to be able to time it. And this unit got a bit of a thumbs up in all those areas. So let's check it out. All right, first things first. Like I said, very sturdy box, but very easy to open. Now, first thing you notice when you open it is the user manual, and I understand that in this case it's quite important to read the user manual because of all the different functions. In fact, I recall reading somewhere that it is a little bit more complicated to use, but I kind of think that's an easy trade-off, to be honest, because I want my machines to do a little bit more. You do get a recipe book. I don't tend to use these. I don't know about you guys, but I've got my own awesome recipes, so that'll probably go in the cupboard and get dusty. And then you also get the warranty defects, warranty against defects. And this particular unit has 2 years warranty, as long as you keep your receipt. And this one is valid in Australia and New Zealand, which is where I'm from. All right, first piece that you get is the additional bowl. I love that this unit has an additional bowl. It has a stainless steel bowl with measurements on the side of literage, and it tells you how far you can fill it to. It's a gorgeous bowl, very sturdy, and nothing's going to happen to that, let me tell you. And now let's get to the good bit. Now, it is super well packed. Very well protected with cardboard. I like that. And then we go to the unit itself, and it is quite heavy. I think I told you that. Oh, wowee. All right. So the unit's well protected with plastic, and this is what it looks like. Now, one of the reasons why I love this unit, why I chose it, is because it actually does have a vent function on the lid, which a lot of pressure cookers don't have. So you have to kind of wait for ages in order to be able to open it. But this one does have a vent, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. What else do we have here? Power cord, pretty obvious. Now, these are the 2 stirrers. One of them is specifically for rice and the other one for whatever. And you also get a cup measurement and a milliliter measurement. I assume that's for rice, I'm not sure. And the base. I suspect the rice cooker will be a bit lost on me because I don't cook rice, but I might use it for quinoa. And now this is the second main bowl, which you can see is a non-stick bowl. So you get one non-stick and one stainless steel. Loving that as well. Same size bowls. And then there's the unit itself, which looks like it's going to be very easy to clean. We'll have to do our test on it soon. So, all right, let's go through these pieces again, guys. You get the full unit with an electronic pad with all the different functions, which you're going to need your manual for, to how to use it all. With that, you can see we've got two inner bowls. We have one non-stick bowl, and we also have one stainless steel bowl, so a second bowl. Fabo. We have a steaming plate, which is very useful. A power cord, obviously. We've got a user manual along with the recipe book for beginners and to give you ideas on your cooking. We've got two paddles. We've got a rice paddle and a soup paddle. We also have a measuring cup, and I assume that this is going to be the same quantity of liquid that's going to sit under the steamer, so that you've got very easy measurements. And then we have our lid, and our lid is pretty special because it needs to keep in the pressure when you're doing pressure cooking. So if you have a look on the underside, you'll notice that there is a seal, a very strong seal to keep that nice and tight. And then on the top, we have our bake function, our seal function, and then our vent. And our vent is going to be the safety valve, so you don't burn yourself after you're cooking. Just lets all that hot steam out. Fab. And that is our unit, our Phillips all-in-one cooker. Really looking forward to using that. We will come back to you with a review, but for now, this is the unboxing.